Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with Ace Imagery. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to quickly select your subject in Photoshop. And without wasting much of our time, let's take a deep dive. Alright, welcome back. Before I go ahead to show you how to select your subject quickly, I'd like to introduce some of the tools that you can use to select your subject before I show you my ultimate choice of selecting subject. So as you can see, this is my image here, right? If you come over here and you right click, you're going to see two options. We have the lasso tool and the polygon lasso tool. Right beneath this icon here is another set of tools. We have the object selection tool, the quick selection tool, and the magic wand, right? But the ones I use mostly are the first four. From here we have the lasso tool and the polygon lasso tool. I make use of this too, and then here I make use of this too as well. Alright, and so those are the tools. Let me quickly give you guys a breakdown of when and how I use these tools. For this one, I use the lasso tool when I want to quickly make like a selection of a large area like this. Quickly I just draw. Right now, to undo the selection, all you need to do is hit Command D on your MacBook or Control D on Windows. And then for this polygon lasso tool, I use this tool to make or to add to my selections areas of the image that are not being selected. I just use this to manually add that to the selections. Alright, coming down to my next options, the object selection tool. This object selection tool is actually one of the tools I use mostly, right? Because a lot of times it just gets the subject selected real quick and in real time for me. And let me just quickly show you guys what this does. I'll just come over here, pick up my object selection tool, and then come to the edge of this picture and drag over the image like this. That's it. It has my image selected already. But then this is not where it ends. Also, this other one here, the quick selection tool, this is how this one works. You can hit the bracket close button to increase the size of the circle, and then the bracket open to reduce the size. Alright, as you can see, it has a plus sign in the middle of the circle, and so what it means is every part that you click on, right, is going to be added to the selection. And so you can see I just selected the cap, I just selected his forehead. Now I want to add this part to the selection. I'll just click it. You can see I want to add this part to it. 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 Alright, and so let's take for instance, I just want to have just this part here selected, or let's say just the cap selected, and I mistakenly selected all this part. So on selecting this part, right, all you need to do is hit the options button on your MacBook or the alternate button on your Windows, and the icon in the cycle will turn to minus. That means I do not want this to be part of my selection. I'll just click around this, right, and then this will unselect this part out for me. So to unselect what has been selected, you hit Command D or Control D. There you go. So, business of the day, you just need to come over here to select and then hit the select subject. You can see the subject has been selected perfectly well. Alright, now there's a simple trick that I quickly want to show you guys. Now when you come over here and you select this icon, if you observe just at the top of your screen, just directly above your subject, you notice that there are some options out here. We have the select subject, the select and mask subject, right? And so rather than come over here and then click and drag down, I'll just hit this box here, or check this box here, which says automatically enhance the selection edge. So what it does, it enhances the edges of your selection, right, to make sure that the edges are smooth and well selected. Okay, and so I'm going to check this box here and then I hit the select subject, and boom, my subject is selected. It's as simple as that, real quick and real fast. If you zoom in closely, you notice that all the edges are well selected. But then there's something else I want to show you guys. Should in case at any point in time you make a selection and then some part of the images are not being included in the selection, this is what you need to do. Let's take for instance, after making the selection, probably this part wasn't added in the selection, or maybe a little part like this wasn't added. Oh, that's too much. Oh yeah, let me reduce the size of the brush. I hold down my options key and then hit just a little part of this image. Let's assume this part wasn't selected, right? You come over here and pick the polygon lasso tool, which is this one here. Just pick the polygon lasso tool. And then hit the shift button and hold it. Make your first selection and then release the shift button and then come over here. Just like that, and you keep selecting. As you can see, this is what the polygon lasso tool does. Manually helps you to add to selections or subtract from your selection. Alright, so that is how to make or select a subject in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up so that when next I drop tutorials or videos like this, you get notified, and yes, other people who need contents like this will also get notified. Thank you so much.